Hiccups are one of the most bothersome reflexes of the human body. It happens when the diaphragm contracts fast and involuntarily. There are some simple actions to interrupt a hiccup. They stimulate the nerves and muscles in the thorax, helping stabilize the situation. Hiccups are usually caused by eating too fast or too much, eating heavily seasoned or spicy foods, drinking too fast, having abdominal gastric distension, drinking carbonated beverages, abuse of alcoholic beverages, being anxious, nervous, or stressed, throat or stomach irritation, or the beginning of a pneumonia case. In most cases, the hiccups last only a few minutes, but sometimes they can last for days or even weeks. Let's see now some tricks to stop your hiccups fast or immediately. Inhale deeply and hold your breath for all the duration of this exercise. Put your hands on the top of a door frame. Tilt your body forward and feel your back bending while stretching the abdomen. Your hands should hold the door frame and your feet aligned to your hands. Keep the position for 30 seconds, holding your breath. After that, say bye-bye to your hiccups. If you have frequent hiccups, this method can help you get rid of them in just 30 seconds. When a newborn or fetus has hiccups, it's usually because their diaphragm and respiratory muscles are still developing. Reflux after feeding is also common and can cause hiccups. In this case, it is recommended to feed the baby again. If they are already full, make them burp while standing up. Try this 30 seconds technique and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.